Good morning, my dear student. Today we're going to take a new lesson, the second part of the circulatory system. Today we will take the structure of blood. Blood consists of red blood cell, white blood cell, blood platelets, plasma. Again, the structure of blood: red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets, plasma. What is the red blood cell? You have to know that the red blood cell without nuclei. The red blood cell is without nuclei, has no nucleus. What is the function, or what is the importance of the red blood cell? First, it carries oxygen from lung to body and carry carbon dioxide from body to lung. Again, the function of red blood cell. You have to know the importance of red blood cell. It's like the car driver. The red blood cell is like the car driver, which carry the oxygen from lung to body and carry carbon dioxide to the opposite direction from body to lung. Again, I want to discuss this point. Red blood cell. Number one, carry oxygen from lung to body. Number two, carry CO2 from body to lung. Okay, that's clear. What about the white blood cell? White blood cell is very important. White blood cell is very important. White blood cell have a different form of nuclei. Its function is defend the body against the microbes. It attack the microbe. If you have flu or you are sick, the white blood cell start to do its job, which is to attack the microbes, to kill the microbes. So white blood cell is very important. If you get flu or you are sick or you're feeling something wrong in your body, white blood cell start to do its job, which is defend the body, protect the body against the microbes. How it defend the body against the microbes? It will kill it. It will attack the microbes. It will kill the microbes to keep the body safe. Again, white blood cell is very important to kill, in other words, attack the microbes. Okay? What about the other structure of the blood? We have blood platelets. Blood platelets is very important as it helps in coagulation of blood. What's meant by coagulation of blood? It means formation of blood clot. Sometimes you get hurt in your fingers. You find that the blood becomes solid. After 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the blood becomes solid. This means by blood clot or blood coagulation. After 2 or 3 days, the skin return back to its position or return back as its normal structure. Why? Because the platelets help in healing wounds. Again, so the function of the blood clot, if you get hurt or you cut your finger, some drops of blood will comes out after 3 minutes. The blood start to be solid. What's meant by solid? It means that the blood becomes clot or coagulation. After 2 or 3 days, the skin return back as its normal normal structure, which is meaning healing wounds. The skin become return back as it's normal. There is no cutting in your fingers. Okay, again, so what's the function of platelets? If you want to study this word, I divided this word or separate this word to two parts. Plat, as meaning plate, let's meaning let's go. If you want to study this word platelets, if you want to remember the word platelets, you have to divide the word to two parts. The first part, plate, is meaning plate, which we eat in it, and let's, which is mean let's go. What the function of platelets? Number one, healing wound and formation of blood clot. In other words, it's meaning coagulation. So when I see in the questions healing wound, formation of blood clot, so I go to write automatically platelets. The fourth type of blood, which is plasma, it's yellow watery fluid. Fluid meaning liquid. Plasma is liquid. Yellow watery fluid because it's liquid, which all the components are suspended, which are found inside it. The function of the plasma, it's carry the needed digested food to all body cell and carry wasted outside the body. Again, plasma, it's important, carry or transport digested food to all body cell and carry wastes outside the body. Okay. Now we finished the structure of blood. We take another part, which is the path of blood throughout the heart. In other words, the blood circulation. What is the blood circulation? Blood circulation, it's movement of blood throughout your body. Again, blood circulation meaning movement of the blood throughout your body. Now we're going to discuss the second part, which is the blood circulation, the movement of the blood throughout your body. We summarize this by the oxygen enter the lung. Then the oxygen after they enter the lung, it go to the heart, the left side of the heart. Which is pulmonary vein, then left atrium, then valve, then return back to left ventricle, then go to the aorta, to all body cell. Again, the oxygen will enter the lungs, then enter to the heart, to the left side of the heart, the first part of the heart, which is pulmonary vein, then left atrium, so then go to the valve, left ventricle, aorta, all body cell. It is two lungs, enter to the heart through pulmonary vein. After to pulmonary vein, left atrium, then the valve, left ventricle, aorta, then all body cell. Here will happen the exchange of gases, oxygen enter the body, then CO2 will comes out of the body. How the CO2 comes out of the body? It's out from body, enter the vena cava, then right atrium, valve, right ventricle, then pulmonary artery, then lungs. Again, carbon dioxide will comes out from the body, enter the vena cava, right atrium, valve, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, then the lung, then the carbon dioxide comes out of the body. We're going to see here all body cell will comes out the carbon dioxide through vena cava, then right atrium through the valve, then right ventricle through pulmonary artery, then comes out through the two lungs. This is the blood circulation which happens inside our body. You have to know, if you want to know the pulse of the heart, we can detect it by putting our fingers like this to know how many pulse per minute. You know that the number of your heartbeats per minute is 70 pulse. Again, if you want to know the number of heartbeats at rest is about 70 beats per minute. Okay? Finally, you want to know how to maintain the circulatory system healthy. You have to keep exercising, to strengthen the heart muscles and to active the blood circulation. You have to eat healthy and balanced food that's low in fat and salt. Eat more fresh and clean vegetables and fruits. Drink an appropriate amount of clean water every day, especially in summer. This is the way to maintain the circulatory system healthy. Today we finish our lesson. We know we studied the structure of the blood and the blood circulation and how to maintain the circulatory system healthy. I hope to enjoy this lesson today. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.